In order to demonstrate proper lubrication of electric motor bearing, we've modified this end bell of an electric motor, slicing away the end of the bearing housing and putting plexiglass so we can see what's going on. Typically, when adding grease, you would never fill it this far, but we've done so just to demonstrate the purging process. Traditional method is to remove the plug from the bearing prior to lubricating. Then as grease is added, and as the motor runs, heats up, and starts to purge the grease would then come out of that drain hole as necessary to relieve the pressure. Now, as this grease comes out and falls to the base next to the motor, there's not a whole lot we can do with it if we practice this traditional greasing method. Instead of using a drain plug, we can use the grease thief. The grease thief takes the place of the plug and is threaded into the drain of the motor. The grease thief provides an environmental seal for the bearing since none of the ambient air can get past the piston. However, as the grease is purged, the grease thief will open up and allow the grease to be captured in the body. Typically, it takes some time after greasing for the pressure to build, the grease to lower in viscosity, and to exit through the purge hole. The grease thief is waiting for that to happen and will capture this grease, which then can be taken and sampled. If during the greasing operation excess grease is seen that would fill this body, there are purge holes that will allow the grease to purge further. After unscrewing the grease thief, it is capped and is then taken for further analysis.